Welcome to the Mint Report, our wrap-up of the day's business news. Here are the top stories. Supreme Court cancels telecom licenses of 9 companies. Rupee hits a 3-month high. And markets end Thursday in the green. We start with the Supreme Court's landmark judgment on Thursday. The court surprised observers by issuing a strong decision on the allocation of 2G spectrum. It cancelled all 122 licenses allotted to 9 companies after the 10th of January 2008. The Supreme Court also ordered telecom regulators TRAI to make fresh recommendations for 2G spectrum allocation. TRAI will have 2 months to complete this task. The licenses in question were all issued during the time of former Telecom Minister A. Raja, who is currently under trial in the 2G case. Thursday's decision affects some of the smaller players in India's telecom industry. The companies affected include Uninor, which lost licenses in 22 circles, Loop and Systema Xiam in 21 each, Tata Teleservices in 3, Etisalat DB in 15, Estel in 6, and Videocon, which stands to lose 21 circles. Of course, the affected firms will be allowed to continue services until spectrum is reallocated. But most significant are the firms left out. India's 2 biggest telecom operators, Bharti Airtel and Vodafone, which got their licenses much earlier, remain unaffected. Whatever the big telecos might think, reactions to the judgment were both rapid and polarized. Petitioners in the case like Janata Party leader Subramaniam Swamy welcomed the decision. But foreign operators that are now affected have expressed surprise and shock. And in other news, India's rupee reached a 3-month high on Thursday, with a revival in investor confidence. The rupee closed trade at 49.15 against the dollar. The rupee was battered through much of 2011, but traders now expect it to firm up to around 48.6 in the coming days. And finally, Indian markets shot up on Thursday with sentiment rising after figures showed a revival in manufacturing. The Sensex rose 131 points to 17,432. And the Nifty climbed 34 to 5,270. And that's all we have for you. Thanks for watching.